As you can see, I'm rewinding that tape. Before I do, I'm going to show you welcome to Problem Solve video number 3. This tape I have, case, is in rough shape. Tape I had to swap out. Reason why, I'll explain in a second when this tape gets rewind. Never mind. I think I'll explain now. The copy I had since 2020 has a visible ink gun label, which is pretty rare, but the only problem is this. Tape is damaged every time you put it in a VCR. I'll have to show you for proof once after although I don't want to ruin that VCR since it's brand new. Luckily, back in 2021 at the New York State Fairgrounds when it reopened, my train club had this copy. The tape inside I had since 2020, I swapped them out. Luckily, this copy has a birthday, which is the 389th day of 1995. And this copy, hold on a second, let me just, it doesn't look damaged. You know, has lines. Let me just show you the differences. But first, let me just eject my Sounds from the Station Thomas tape out. It just got rewind. I like to do a demonstrating video on this VCR someday. Brains on the side and on top, but there's still no birthday. Bought this at Selfish Army where it reopened after being closed for the coronavirus in June. I forgot where it was. Now I'm going to show you the differences. Let me play the damaged one first. Although I hope it doesn't ruin this VCR. I'll show you how bad damage it is. First time I'm showing you something. You gotta be cautious playing damaged tapes because they could ruin your VCR. See that? It's getting windy. See, you could see the fuzz. Now I'm just going to rewind it back to the beginning. Hope it doesn't get eaten by the VCR. Using a tape too much could get eaten by a VCR. I'll show you full strip one last time. Hold on a second, let me put this back in the case. Now for the comparison differences, which is they're both different tape styles. See that for proof? They have different labels. Let me play this and show you differences. Maybe just one spot is a little damaged. Wow, that took a while. put in this copy is the 289 day of 1995. Problem solved. For this tape, tough decision, I'm going to scrap it. You know, it has an extreme rare visible ink on label you probably can't see very well. I'm going to likely throw this out because it's too damaged to be watched. Plus I have 2 copies. I'll just put it in the garbage. This is a spare VCR where the DVD portion doesn't work. I'm going to keep it as a spare in case of one of my... I have to swap out VCR parts for like a VHS tape. I'm about to throw this tape out right now. Because it's too damaged. See, for proof, the video store is in the basement of my house. Farewell.